Hello to users and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will see about the practical process of the smart activity rules that is to be created in Udo. Here we will see how task creation is done as well as the reminders and recurring activities are set up. So let's get started for the same. So this is our activity dashboard as we saw before, and in the video before we saw how the users are been added over here and how the activities are visible in your dashboard. Now next step is we will define the activity rule. Say suppose I want to define activity rule and I want that they will run in background where I will not have any manual effort, and so that we will set up the rule. To set up the rule, we have a rule that is been set up right now for the sales order. Currently we will add the summary of the rule, which is this one. So when my sales order are overdue, I want my follow-up to be done, so I will set up a name accordingly. Now there is this configuration where we'll set up the target, that for which particular model, to-do model, I want to set up my rule, and what is the field of the target, that is also to be set up. Now we will go and create a sale order to check this particularly. Let's go for here. We will duplicate this particular sale order. Now the sale order has been duplicated. We'll add a few quantities from over here and save it. I'm just saving it. I'm not confirming it as of now. I will keep the date of 2nd of March. Let's save it. So this is our particular sale order that we created. Now in the activity rules, first of all we will target my model. So I want my activity to run for sale order. So I have different models as we know in Odoo. We have them all in the top down menu. We can select any one model. I've selected sale order. Now under the particular model that we selected, on which particular field you want your activity to run. So there are a lot of sale order fields as we know. The sale order includes your quotation date, expiring date, etc. You can see all of them over here. You can check it and select it from here. Next is your filter domain. It is the important step. Whenever you want to add any of the filters to this particular domain that we have added over here, you can add the filter. So for that I want to add a filter that my sale status of the particular sale order should be in a quotation only. So this is my sale order and its status is into the quotation as we can see. I have added that. You can different status are visible. You can select them. If you want to add any of the other filters, you can go to the plus and edit. You can delete it, and you can add filter branches like this as well. So salesperson name you can edit. You can also add sales team or add the responsible user. You can select any of the fields as per your requirements. Currently we are making it simple, so we are adding this one thing, and then is the order date. So order date should be nothing. So there should not be any order date for the particular order. It should be into the quotation only. Now, as per this particular rule, whichever sales order are following under this particular rule that we have set up will be visible to you over here. So the sale order we just created, that is number 38, is visible as you can see it over here. Now we will see next thing is the details. So which is the user responsible to carry out this activity? So Joey Willis is the responsible user. Next is the duration. So say suppose I have my sale order for 2nd of the March, which is this one, and now I want that for before 10 days the activity should be signed up to the particular user, so that the follow-up email should be done by them. I have added a note for the same and I have set up the duration for the same. Now to set up this duration, we have the rule configuration as well. I can set up my duration from this particular field that is given to me, and I give the name as well. So I've set up the duration for 10 days. Now after 10 days, say suppose my sale order is expiring or say it is overdue. Now it is in the quotation status. It is created for 2nd of March and currently it is 13th of March. So 10 days are done. So today an activity will be created for the particular user Joey Willis. For creating the activity, we have a scheduler action that will be running into our background, which we can run manually currently. So I'm running it manually. Currently we will refresh this page. So my activity is followed for Joey Willis, that the follow up is needed for this particular sale order because the user has not yet maybe done the payment or so and so reason, right? So here the activities is created. Now you can edit the activity directly from here. In case if it is more of the priority, you can add the priorities. You can do anything directly from over here. So this is how your activity overdue action or say activity will work. Now say suppose I want recurring activities to be set up for this particular orders. Now we will go to the recurrent activity. This is the scheduler for the same. Here in the configuration we have recurring activity option. So as we open it, let's reset it to draft. So here also we will add the recurrent related document. So I want my sale order again. I will add the summary, that recurrent activity process. Here is the filter domain for the same that we added before, and the records that will match this filter will be visible to me over here. Next step is activity type. So I want email as an activity type to be selected. You can add call, meeting, anything that is required to you. Again, it will be assigned to the particular user and notes should be added it over here. Now we will see how the repetition should work. So this particular activity should be repeated every 2 days and number of repetition is until 5. So until 5 repetition is done, this activity will run. You can also add week, you can add months, you can add year as per your requirement. Whenever we are adding week, we are also given an option to select the days of the week. So here I will add Monday to my repetition schedule. So every 2 weeks this activity will run for 5 times and only on Monday. So that is how you can set up your days like this. If you select 2 or 3 days, your activity will show for all these 3 days, right? So that is how it will be done. Currently we are showing day wise because it will then be very easy for you to see it right now. So we are setting up for every 2 days and number of repetitions should be 5. Now we are confirming this particular recurring activity and it is in the confirm state. Now we will go to the scheduler action. Currently it is running manually to show you the process. Now we have run it manually. As we refresh this page, the recurring activity will be seen to you. So here every 2 days, so you in 2 days, 4 days, 6, 8, 10. So this is how your recurring activities will be seen along with the details that we added over here, that is test okay, and it should be due for every 2 days and 5 repetitions, 1 2 3 4 5, and the Joey Vis is the user. That is how your recurring activity process will be done like this. Now next thing is, as you go to the configuration, there is this activity reminder. Activity reminder is this: whenever you want any pop-up or whenever you want any automated email to be sent to the particular user for doing the activity. Now for that we will go to the my activities. We will open the particular sale order. So this is the sale order that we have created. I guess it was 38, not 36. That's at 38. So here is a sale order. Currently there are no activity reminders. We will add the reminder of pop-up and email both, and everything is set up. Let's save it. Now after that we have set up the activity reminder for 2 minutes for the email. Here we will add the due date. So 13th March is the due date and every 2 minutes this will run, right? We have set up for every 2 minutes. This configuration is set up for every 2 minutes. I'll show you the configuration one more time. Here it is set up for every 2 minutes, as you can see, and email is also to be set up for every 2 minutes. Now in the activities section over here I can add the timing. So I can add the timing I have applied for. It's 11:20 right now. We will add it for 25 and every 2 minutes it will set up. I will save this particular thing. And now in the activity section I will show you the email that will follow by. We will open the emails. So the emails whenever it will be sent will be seen over here. So say suppose we have sent email before of when one of the sale order, it should be something like this: overdue sale order, follow-up is required, and the user should be Joey Vis. So this email should be sent to Joey Vis by Odoo. So that is how your email should be sent. So here we will run it manually. This is particular scheduler action to for the activity reminder. We'll run it manually from here, and the activity should be follow up, and an email should be sent for this particular sale order as well. We will wait for some minutes because we have set up the time accordingly. It's 25 and it's 20 right now. Say 21 right now. So in 2 minutes it will be set up and the email will be seen over here. We will have to refresh this page and check for the email. So 36 number email is currently set up for activity reminder. Now next will be for 38. So we'll wait for the same. As you can see, activity reminder for the sale order number 38 is been followed now. and you can see the details as well. So it should have a name of the assigned members and the due date as the record number as well. So this is how your activity reminder will be set up, and the pop-up will be seen on the screen as well. So the pop-up will be seen something like this on your screen for the time or the reminder date that is set up into your activity. So this is all about the video. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for a store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can write back to us at sales@𝗪𝗛𝗓 for any further doubts for the particular action. Thank you.